Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Cadillac Escalade with a dead battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from your fob and opening the driver door. Peel back the small cover to expose the key slot and turn the key to unlock. Pull the hood release, prop the hood open, and prepare jumper cables or a portable battery pack. Keep movements steady and avoid forcing parts to prevent damage. Begin by finding the little release on your fob and sliding out the mechanical key. Use a soft, flat tool to lift the trim over the driver door key slot so you do not scratch paint. Insert the mechanical key and turn gently until the lock clicks. Do not jab or force it. Once unlocked, reach in to open the door and pull the hood release to access the battery for the next steps. With the hood open, identify the positive and negative terminals and keep cables untangled. Connect red to positive on the donor battery and then to positive on the Escalade, followed by black to donor negative and a grounded metal point on the Escalade. Start the donor vehicle, let it run a few minutes, then start the Escalade. Remove clamps in reverse order and keep the engine running to recharge the battery before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.